Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today's video is on how to attain the Python for Data Science badge from IBM. This badge is actually awarded to one person upon successful completion of a course provided by IBM. Once you are credited with this badge, this means that you are able to perform or you are able to write Python scripts and perform basic hands-on sessions on data analysis using a lab environment that is provided by them. Actually, that is the Jupyter Labs. And as a badge earner, you are said to be skilled at data science, Python language, Pandas library, and obviously programming with Python. And friends, the most interesting part is that you will be able to achieve this badge if you are ready to spend a maximum time of 5 hours, and minimum time, it's up to you. So friends, let's not waste our time. Get started soon. So guys, in order to register for the course that is provided by IBM, you have to log into their learning platform. And the IBM learning platform, it's called cognitiveclass.ai. So you have to go to your browser and search cognitiveclass.ai. I'll be providing the link in the video description below. So once you browse onto that, you will be able to get the screen as visible with an eye as wallpaper, and you can see data science and cognitive computing courses are available for you to learn through this platform. And on the rightmost corner there is login or sign up button. So if you are a new user, you have to use sign up option, or else if you are already having an account in this cognitive classroom, you have to go for login. So let's move to sign up. You have got plenty of options for signing up to this cognitive class. You can use Facebook, GitHub, Google Plus, or IBM ID, or even LinkedIn. And also, if you are using your email, you can give your email, your full name, public username, and password. And you have to agree to their privacy notice as well as the terms and service of the cognitive class, and press on create accounts. So it's that simple. I'm already having an account, so I am not going for the sign up option. Better I will be signing into the session. So I have already given my email ID and password and logged into my cognitive class. And as visible, there are different courses and introduction to cloud, Python for data science, blockchain essentials, building an IoT blockchain network for supply chain, machine learning with Python. So many courses are available at the cognitiveclass.ai platform. And also you can see the level at the bottom. There is a beginner level courses, and we have got intermediate level courses, and scrolling down you will be able to see expert level courses also. So which one is that you wish to learn, which field that you are interested to learn about, that you can go through that course. So today's video is on how to get the Python for data science badge. So we have to go to the course Python for data science. So I have already selected that icon, and you will be able to see Python for data science course is provided a beginner friendly introduction to Python for data science practice through lab sessions. As I have mentioned at the beginning, this include Jupyter Lab environment, and you will be able to be ready to create your Python scripts on your own. Interesting, right? So the audience, no? So you want to check your prerequisites on joining the course, joining this course. So anyone interested in learning to program with Python for data science can log into this course. So friends, if you are interested in Python, if you are interested in data science, and you want to choose a Python for learning data science, for performing data science, then this is the best course that you can look into. And the time to complete this course is actually 5 hours. See, 5 hours is just 5 hours is needed to complete this course. And on successful completion of the course, you will be gifted with a badge Python for data science. Let's look onto the course syllabus. So there are actually 4 modules to be covered in this course, and the module 1 will deals with your first program, types, expressions and variables, string operations, all using Python. Module 2 deals with Python data structures. You know, Python has got a vast variety of data structures compared to other programming languages. These include lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries. So these are all a variety of data structures compared to other ones. And also we have learning in the third module. Coming to the third module, we'll be learning about Python programming fundamentals. and that includes condition and looping, branching, loops, functions, objects and classes. Python is also object oriented, so we'll be learning about objects and classes. And module 4 deals with the working with data in Python, like reading the files, opening the files, writing the files, closing, saving the data, and also we will also like working and saving the data with pandas. And pandas is a Python library. So upon completing this course, you will be able to have a clear understanding about what is data science, why is Python used for data science, and how to use Python for data science, and how to use Pandas as a library for data science. And friends, this course is absolutely free and it is self-paced, means you can take it at any time, like as you wish. If you want to learn now, you can just register and start instantly, or if you want to keep it for a later time, you can do as you wish. And also see, this course can be audited many times as you wish, but there is only one chance to pass this course with multiple attempts per question. I will be showing you the review questions and all. So actually I want to tell you that if you want to if you are new to Python and really want to learn the data science, then friends, you just choose you just go through every lessons carefully, go through every videos, and you will be able to get a clear understanding. Only it takes just 5 hours. That's not even one day, I could say. That's not even half a day. So spending 5 times on being productive, making your time productive during this lockdown is something good, right? So friends, just go through every video, listen to that, and enter every video that I got some exercises for you to do, and just complete that exercises. And finally, you will be having review examinations at the end of each module, and just attend that also. And finally, there will be an exam, and after completion of that, you will be gifted with a certificate as well as the badge from Python. And friends, if you are already well versed in Python and just you are doing this course for the badge, for earning the badge, you can just I will show you how to do that. You can click on go to class icon, and upon clicking that review class icon, so you will be able to see a previous button as well as a next button. So under each category, there will be, under each module, there will be some courses are there. If you do not prefer to attend this course, or like you're already well versed with that, then you can just press the next button, or else you can go through and learn it. So friends, if you as I have told you, if you are really well versed in Python and you are just attending this course for earning the badge, then you can skip the classes, skip the class portions, or skip the learning sessions, and just go to review questions. Review questions are present at the end of each module, and these are the graded ones. Other questions present at the end of every subsections are like they're ungraded ones. So you just attend the graded sessions, and in the review questions, no, just more look onto some questions. See, what is the syntax to obtain the first element of the tuple a is equal to ABC? So a of 0. In this question, these are like multiple choice questions. So we are available, like you can use 2 attempts. 2 attempts are provided, and you want to make the answer right in these 2 attempts. And for the true or false questions, you will be given only one chance. Either choose true or false at the first attempt itself. And once you are getting a good course, like an above average mark, you will be eligible for this certificate. Let's check on my progress. I have already completed the course. So moving on to the progress. See, this is my graph of my sailing my progress, and after the end of every module, like we have got review questions, and I have attended the review sessions, like I have got a better above average scores for all. And finally, there is a final examination, and also I have got score 89% for this final examination. And that's it, friends. Yeah, I am eligible for the certificate, as well as I am eligible for a badge from IBM. So friends, you can take other courses and attain wide variety of badges from IBM. And that's it for today's video. If you would like this video, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.